Question 1. In New Jersey, which of the following is NOT typically covered under the coverage for damage to your auto, Part D, in a standard personal auto policy, PAP? A. Damage caused by a collision with another vehicle. B. Theft of the vehicle. C. Mechanical breakdown of the vehicle. D. Damage caused by natural disasters such as floods and earthquakes. Question 2. Which principle of insurance ensures that an insured cannot profit from an insurance claim, but can only be indemnified to the extent of their loss? A. Utmost good faith. B. Insurable interest. C. Principle of indemnity. D. Subrogation. Question 3. Mr. Thompson, a New Jersey resident, has a standard homeowner's insurance policy, HA3. If his home is damaged by an earthquake, which part of his policy will likely cover the damages? A. Dwelling coverage. Coverage B. Other structures. Coverage B. C. Personal property. Coverage C. D. None of the above. Question 4. Which of the following is considered a moral hazard in the context of personal lines insurance? A. A house located in a high-crime area. B. A homeowner deliberately setting fire to their property to collect insurance money. C. A vehicle parked in a garage overnight. D. A homeowner installing a security system. Question 5. Under a personal auto policy, PAP, in New Jersey, which of the following would typically be covered under uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage? Part C. Damage to your vehicle caused by a flood. B. Medical expenses for injuries caused by a hit-and-run driver. C. Legal fees for a lawsuit against you. D. Routine maintenance costs for your vehicle. Question 6. Which type of homeowner's insurance policy is typically designed to provide the most comprehensive coverage? A. HO1. B. HO2. C. HO3. D. HOA. Question 7. In New Jersey, which part of a dwelling policy, DP3, covers the fair rental value of a property if it becomes uninhabitable due to covered loss? A. Coverage A. B. Coverage B. C. Coverage C. D. Coverage D. Question 8. Which of the following is an exclusion under a standard personal umbrella policy? A. Personal injury liability. B. Property damage liability. C. Professional liability. D. Liability arising from auto accidents. Question 9. Under the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, which of the following is covered under the increased cost of compliance? A. Coverage A. Personal belongings damaged by a flood. B. Cost of temporary housing. C. Expenses to elevate, demolish, or relocate a building to comply with local floodplain management laws. D. Loss of business income. Question 10. Which of the following is a common exclusion in earthquake insurance policies? A. Damage to the structure of the building. B. Damage to personal property inside the building. C. Damage caused by fire following an earthquake. D. Costs associated with temporary housing. Question 11. For watercraft insurance in New Jersey, which coverage part would pay for medical expenses incurred by passengers injured while in the insured boat? A. Liability coverage. B. Medical payments coverage. C. Uninsured boaters coverage. D. Physical damage coverage. Question 12. In New Jersey, what is the primary purpose of personal liability insurance under a standard homeowner's policy? A. To cover damage to the dwelling. B. To pay for medical expenses for the insured's family members. C. To provide coverage for personal injuries and property damage caused to others. D. To insure valuable personal property items. Question 13. Which of the following is a key difference between health maintenance organizations, HMOs, and preferred provider organizations, PPOS, in New Jersey? A. HMOs typically offer more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers than PPOS. B. PPOS generally require a referral to see a specialist, while HMOs do not. C. HMOs usually have lower out-of-pocket costs compared to PPOS. D. PPOS often restrict coverage to a specific network of doctors and hospitals, whereas HMOs do not. Question 14. Which of the following is an example of an unfair trade practice in the insurance industry in New Jersey? A. Charging different premiums based on the risk level of the insured. B. Offering discounts for bundling multiple policies. C. Misrepresenting the benefits of a policy to a potential customer. D. Requiring a physical examination for life insurance applicants. Question 15. In the context of claims handling, what is the primary purpose of the reservation of rights letter sent by an insurer to an insured in New Jersey? A. To deny the claim outright. B. To inform the insured that the claim is being investigated. C. To provide payment for the claim. D. To cancel the insurance policy. Question 16. Which of the following is a benefit of telematics in auto insurance for New Jersey drivers? A. Increased insurance premiums. B. Real-time monitoring of driving habits to offer personalized discounts. C. Limiting coverage options. D. Standardized premiums for all drivers regardless of behavior. Question 17. Which principle of insurance is demonstrated when an insured must have a valid reason to purchase insurance, such as a financial interest in the property or a life being insured? A. Almost good faith. B. Principle of indemnity. C. Insurable interest. D. Subrogation. Question 18. Under a standard homeowners insurance policy HA3 in New Jersey, which coverage part protects against liability claims for bodily injury and property damage that the insured or their family members cause to others? They coverage B, coverage C. C, coverage E. D, coverage F. Question 19. In New Jersey, which of the following is typically excluded from a personal articles floater policy? A, jewelry. B, furs. C, business property. D, fine art. Question 20. Which of the following is a key characteristic of a high-deductible health-pay-ish in New Jersey? A. Low out-of-pocket maximums. B. High monthly premiums. C. Eligibility for health savings account, HSA. D. Comprehensive coverage with minimal out-of-pocket costs. Question 21. Which ethical principle in the insurance industry emphasizes the importance of honesty and full disclosure between the insurer and the insured? A. Almost good faith. B. Principle of indemnity. C. Subrogation. D. Insurable interest. Question 22. Which part of a standard personal auto policy, PAP, in New Jersey provides coverage for the medical expenses of the insured and their passengers, regardless of fault? A. Liability coverage, Part of B. Medical payments coverage, Part B. C. Uninsured underinsured motorist coverage, Part C. D. Coverage for damage to your auto, Part D. Question 23. Which of the following is a typical exclusion under a personal umbrella policy? A. Excess liability coverage over auto and homeowners policies. B. Personal injury liability. C. Business activities. D. Property damage liability. Question 24. In New Jersey, what is the purpose of the FAR plan, Fair Access to Insurance requirements? A. To provide high-risk drivers with auto insurance. B. To offer homeowners insurance to individuals who cannot obtain it through the standard market. C. To regulate insurance premiums across the state. D. To provide health insurance for low-income residents. Question 25. Which type of inland marine insurance policy is designed to cover movable personal property wherever it is located? A. Personal effects coverage. B. Personal articles floater. C. Valuable personal property coverage. D. A homeowner's policy. Question 26. In New Jersey, which of the following is an example of insurable interest? A. A person insuring their neighbor's house. B. A business insuring the life of a key employee. C. A person purchasing insurance for a friend's car. D. An individual insuring a vacation home they do not own. Question 27. Which of the following is a standard endorsement that can be added to a homeowner's insurance policy to provide coverage for home-based business activities in New Jersey? A. Water backup and sump pump overflow. B. Scheduled personal property. C. Home business endorsement. D. Earthquake coverage. Question 28. Which coverage in a personal auto policy, PAP, in New Jersey pays for damages to the insured's vehicle caused by perils such as theft, vandalism, and natural disasters? A. Liability coverage, Part of B. Medical payments coverage, Part B. C. Uninsured underinsured motorist coverage, Part C. D. Comprehensive coverage, Part D. Question 29. Under a standard homeowners insurance policy, HA3, in New Jersey, which of the following perils is typically covered? A. Earthquake. B. Flood. C. Fire. D. War. Question 30. In New Jersey, what is the primary purpose of subrogation in the context of insurance claims? A. To increase the insured's coverage limits. B. To allow the insurer to recover costs from a third party responsible for the loss. C. To deny coverage for a claim. D. To provide additional benefits to the insured. Correct answer. C. Mechanical breakdown of the vehicle. Explanation. Coverage for damage to your auto, Part D, in a personal auto policy, PAP, generally includes two main types of coverage: collision coverage and comprehensive, other than collision, coverage. Collision coverage applies to damage caused by a collision with another vehicle or object, while comprehensive coverage protects against damage from events like theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and hitting an animal. However, mechanical breakdowns are typically excluded from coverage as they are considered maintenance issues rather than accidental damage. This exclusion is in line with the standard policy provisions under New Jersey insurance regulations. Correct answer. C. Principle of indemnity. Explanation. The principle of indemnity is a fundamental concept in insurance that ensures an insured is compensated for their loss but cannot profit from it. This principle aims to restore the insured to the financial position they were in before the loss occurred. It prevents moral hazard by discouraging insureds from submitting fraudulent claims or exaggerating losses. In New Jersey, as in other states, this principle is enforced to maintain fairness and integrity in the insurance industry, as stipulated in the state's insurance regulations. Correct answer. D. None of the above. Explanation. Standard homeowners insurance policies, including the HO3 policy, typically exclude coverage for damages caused by earthquakes. Earthquake insurance must be purchased as a separate endorsement or as a standalone policy. In New Jersey, homeowners must obtain specific earthquake insurance coverage to protect their property against earthquake-related damages. This exclusion aligns with standard insurance practices across the United States, emphasizing the importance of understanding policy limitations and the need for additional coverage for certain perils. Correct answer. B. A homeowner deliberately setting fire to their property to collect insurance money. Explanation. Moral hazard refers to the increased likelihood of risky behavior by the insured because they know they are protected by insurance. In this case, a homeowner deliberately setting fire to their property to collect insurance money is a clear example of moral hazard. This unethical behavior can lead to significant financial losses for insurers and is counteracted through careful underwriting and claims investigation processes as per New Jersey insurance regulations. Correct answer. B. Medical expenses for injuries caused by a hit-and-run driver. Explanation. An insured underinsured motorist coverage, Part C, in a personal auto policy, PAP, provides protection when the insured is injured in an accident caused by a driver who either has no insurance or insufficient insurance. This coverage also applies in hit-and-run situations. It covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages that the at-fault driver would have been responsible for, adhering to New Jersey state insurance requirements. Correct answer. C. HO3. Explanation. The HO3 policy, also known as the Special Form Policy, provides the most comprehensive coverage among standard homeowners insurance policies. It offers all-risk coverage for the dwelling and other structures, meaning it covers all perils except those specifically excluded, and named peril coverage for personal property. This broad protection aligns with New Jersey's insurance regulations, ensuring homeowners have extensive coverage for various risks. Correct answer. D. Coverage D. Explanation. Coverage D in a dwelling policy, DP3, provides fair rental value coverage. This part of the policy compensates the insured for the rental income lost if the property becomes uninhabitable due to covered peril. This ensures that landlords in New Jersey can maintain their income stream while repairs are being made, adhering to the state's insurance standards for protecting rental property income. Correct answer. C. Professional liability. Explanation. Standard personal umbrella policy provides excess liability coverage over underlying policies such as auto and homeowners insurance. However, it typically excludes professional liability, which requires specialized coverage like errors and omissions insurance. This exclusion is consistent with New Jersey insurance regulations, highlighting the need for professionals to obtain appropriate coverage for their specific risks. Correct answer. C. Expenses to elevate, demolish, or relocate a building to comply with local floodplain management laws. Explanation: the increased cost of compliance, coverage under the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, helps policyholders cover the costs associated with meeting local floodplain management regulations after a flood event. This includes expenses for elevating, demolishing, or relocating a building. This coverage ensures compliance with New Jersey's floodplain management standards, thereby reducing future flood risks. Correct answer: C. Damage caused by fire following an earthquake. Explanation: earthquake insurance policies typically exclude coverage for damage caused by fire following an earthquake, as fire damage is usually covered under standard homeowners insurance policies. This exclusion is in line with the standard insurance practices in New Jersey, where homeowners need to understand the specific perils covered by different types of policies. Correct answer: B. Medical payments coverage. Explanation: medical payments coverage in a watercraft insurance policy pays for medical expenses incurred by passengers injured while on the insured boat, regardless of fall. This coverage is important for ensuring that all passengers receive necessary medical attention, adhering to New Jersey's insurance standards for protecting individuals on recreational watercraft. Correct answer: C. To provide coverage for personal injuries and property damage caused to others. Explanation: personal liability insurance under standard homeowners policy provides coverage for personal injuries and property damage caused to others for which the insured is legally liable. This coverage helps protect the insured's financial assets in case of lawsuits or claims, aligning with New Jersey's regulations on liability coverage and homeowners insurance. Correct answer: C. HMOs usually have lower out-of-pocket costs compared to PPOS. Explanation: health maintenance organizations, HMOs, typically have lower out-of-pocket costs compared to preferred provider organizations, PPOS. HMOs require members to use a network of designated healthcare providers and often require referrals for specialists, which helps control costs. PPOS offer more flexibility in choosing providers and do not usually require referrals, but this flexibility often comes with higher costs. These distinctions are important for New Jersey residents selecting health insurance plans. Correct answer: C. Misrepresenting the benefits of a policy to a potential customer. Explanation: misrepresenting the benefits of a policy to a potential customer is considered an unfair trade practice in the insurance industry. This practice can deceive consumers and lead to them purchasing inadequate or inappropriate coverage. New Jersey insurance regulations prohibit such deceptive practices to protect consumers and ensure fair dealings in the insurance market. Correct answer: B. To inform the insured that the claim is being investigated. Explanation: a reservation of rights letter is sent by an insurer to an insured to inform them that the claim is being investigated and that the insurer reserves the right to deny the claim if it is found not to be covered under the policy. This letter protects the insurer's rights while allowing for a thorough investigation, adhering to New Jersey's regulations on transparent and fair claims handling processes. Correct answer: B. Real-time monitoring of driving habits to offer personalized discounts. Explanation: telematics involves the use of technology to monitor driving habits in real time. For New Jersey drivers, this can lead to personalized discounts based on safe driving behaviors. This benefit incentivizes safer driving and allows insurers to better assess risk, aligning with the state's push for innovative and fair insurance practices. Correct answer: C. Insurable interest. Explanation: the principle of insurable interest requires that the insured has a legitimate financial interest in the property or a life being insured. This ensures that insurance is used to protect against actual financial losses rather than for speculative purposes. In New Jersey, as in other states, this principle is fundamental to the validity of insurance contracts. Correct answer: C. Coverage. Explanation: coverage in a standard homeowners insurance policy, HO3, provides personal liability coverage. It protects the insured against liability claims for bodily injury and property damage that they or their family members cause to others. This coverage is crucial for safeguarding the insured's assets and adhering to New Jersey's liability insurance requirements. Correct answer: C. Business property. Explanation: a personal articles floater policy is designed to provide coverage for valuable personal items such as jewelry, furs, and fine art. However, it typically excludes business property, as business-related items require commercial insurance coverage. This exclusion ensures that personal insurance policies are used appropriately in line with New Jersey insurance guidelines. Correct answer. C. Eligibility for Health Savings Account, HSA. Explanation. High deductible health policies typically feature lower monthly premiums and higher deductibles. A key characteristic of HDHPS is their eligibility for health savings accounts, HSAS, which allow individuals to save pre-tax dollars for medical expenses. This combination provides a cost-effective option for health insurance, aligning with New Jersey's health insurance options and regulations. Correct answer. A. Utmost good faith. Explanation. The principle of utmost good faith requires both the insurer and the insured to act honestly and disclose all relevant information. This principle is fundamental to establishing trust and ensuring that insurance contracts are based on accurate and complete information. Adherence to this principle is crucial for maintaining ethical standards in New Jersey's insurance industry. Correct answer. B. Medical payments coverage, Part B. Explanation. Medical payments coverage, Part B. In a personal auto policy, PAP provides coverage for the medical expenses of the insured and their passengers, regardless of who is at fault in an accident. This coverage ensures that medical costs are covered promptly, adhering to New Jersey's regulations for auto insurance. Correct answer. C. Business activities. Explanation. Personal umbrella policies provide excess liability coverage over auto and homeowners policies, covering personal injury and property damage liability. However, they typically exclude business activities, which require separate commercial liability coverage. This exclusion ensures that personal insurance policies are not used for business-related risks, in line with New Jersey's insurance regulations. Correct answer. B. To offer homeowners insurance to individuals who cannot obtain it through the standard market. Explanation. The FAIR plan, Fair Access to Insurance Requirements, in New Jersey provides homeowners insurance to individuals who cannot obtain coverage through the standard market due to high-risk factors. This plan ensures that all homeowners have access to essential insurance protection, regardless of their property's risk level, promoting equitable access to insurance. Correct answer. B. Personal articles floater. Explanation. A personal articles floater is an inland marine insurance policy designed to cover movable personal property wherever it is located. This policy provides comprehensive coverage for valuable items such as jewelry, fine art, and collectibles, regardless of where they are. This type of coverage is crucial for protecting high-value items in New Jersey and elsewhere. Correct answer. B. A business insuring the life of a key employee. Explanation. Insurable interest exists when an individual or entity stands to suffer a financial loss from the damage, loss, or death of the insured subject. A business insuring the life of a key employee is a clear example of insurable interest, as the business would face financial hardship if the employee were to die. This principle ensures that insurance is used for legitimate protection, in line with New Jersey's insurance regulations. Correct answer. B. A business insuring the life of a key employee. Explanation. Insurable interest exists when an individual or entity stands to suffer a financial loss from the damage, loss, or death of the insured subject. A business insuring the life of a key employee is a clear example of insurable interest, as the business would face financial hardship if the employee were to die. This principle ensures that insurance is used for legitimate protection, in line with New Jersey's insurance regulations. Correct answer. C. Home business endorsement. Explanation. A home business endorsement can be added to a homeowner's insurance policy to provide coverage for home-based business activities. This endorsement extends the policy's protection to business property and liability, ensuring that small business owners in New Jersey have adequate coverage for their home-based operations. Correct answer. D. Comprehensive coverage, Part D. Explanation. Comprehensive coverage, Part D, in a personal auto policy, PAP, pays for damages to the insured's vehicle caused by perils such as theft, vandalism, and natural disasters. This coverage protects the vehicle against a wide range of non-collision related risks, adhering to New Jersey's auto insurance standards. Correct answer. C. Fire. Explanation. A standard homeowner's insurance policy, HO3, typically covers damage caused by fire. However, it generally excludes coverage for earthquakes, floods, and war, which require separate policies or endorsements. This standard coverage ensures that homeowners in New Jersey are protected against common perils like fire. Correct answer. B. To allow the insurer to recover costs from a third party responsible for the loss. Explanation. Subrogation is the process by which an insurer seeks to recover costs from a third party responsible for causing a loss after the insurer has paid the claim. This principle helps insurers recoup their expenses and maintain fair premiums for all policyholders, adhering to New Jersey's insurance regulations. Question 31. Under personal auto policy, PAP in New Jersey, which of the following would be covered under collision coverage? Part D. A. Damage caused by hail. B. Damage resulting from a collision with another vehicle. C. Theft of the vehicle. D. Damage caused by a falling tree. Question 32. Which of the following is typically included in the additional living expense coverage under a homeowner's insurance policy HA3 in New Jersey? A. Repair costs for the damaged home. B. Legal fees. C. Expenses for temporary housing while the home is being repaired. D. Medical expenses for injuries sustained on the property. Question 33. In New Jersey, what is the main purpose of the FAIR plan, Fair Access to Insurance Requirements? A. To provide auto insurance to high-risk drivers. B. To offer homeowners insurance to individuals who cannot obtain it through the standard market. C. To regulate health insurance premiums. D. To provide flood insurance coverage. Question 34. Which of the following is a typical exclusion under a standard homeowners insurance policy HA3 in New Jersey? A. Theft. B. Fire. C. Flood. D. Vandalism. Question 35. Which type of inland marine insurance policy would best cover a valuable painting owned by a New Jersey resident? A. Personal effects coverage. B. Personal articles floater. C. Valuable personal property coverage. D. Homeowners policy. Question 36. Which of the following best describes the purpose of an umbrella insurance policy? A. To provide coverage for routine medical expenses. B. To increase the coverage limits of underlying liability policies. C. To insure personal property against theft. D. To provide health insurance coverage for low-income individuals. Question 37. In the context of personal lines insurance, what does the principle of indemnity imply? A. The insured can profit from a loss. B. The insured is restored to their financial position before the loss. C. The insured must have an insurable interest in the property. D. The insurer has the right to recover costs from a third party. Question 38. Which of the following is a typical requirement for an insurance contract to be valid in New Jersey? A. The contract must be verbal. B. The insured must not have any other insurance policies. C. The insured must have an insurable interest in the subject of the insurance. D. The contract must provide coverage for all types of risks. Question 39. Under a standard personal auto policy, PAP in New Jersey, which of the following is typically covered under liability coverage? Part A. A. Damage to the insured's own vehicle. B. Medical expenses of the insured. C. Legal fees for defending against a lawsuit from a third party. D. Theft of the insured's vehicle. Question 40. Which of the following is typically excluded from coverage under a standard homeowners insurance policy HA3 in New Jersey? A. Damage caused by a windstorm. B. Damage from a burst pipe. C. Damage caused by an earthquake. D. Damage from a kitchen fire. Question 42. Which of the following perils is typically covered under a standard homeowners insurance policy HO3 in New Jersey? A. War. B. Neglect. C. Fire. D. Earthquake. Question 43. Which of the following best describes the term subrogation in the context of insurance? A. The process of estimating the value of a claim. B. The transfer of rights from the insured to the insurer to recover damages from a third party. C. The payment made to the insured for a covered loss. D. The cancellation of an insurance policy. Question 44. In New Jersey, which of the following would be considered a covered peril under standard dwelling policy? D. Pit 3. A. War. B. Earthquake. C. Lightning. D. Flood. Question 45. Which of the following is a key feature of a health maintenance organization, a TEM plan in New Jersey? A, higher flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. B, no need for referrals to see specialists. C, lower out-of-pocket costs compared to other plans. D, higher premiums and more extensive coverage. Question 46. Which of the following types of coverage is designed to pay for injuries sustained by passengers in the insured's vehicle, regardless of fault? Under a personal auto policy, PAP in New Jersey. A, liability coverage, Part of B, medical payments coverage, Part B. C, uninsured underinsured motorist coverage, Part C. D, collision coverage, Part D. Question 47. Which of the following is an example of an ethical practice in the insurance industry in New Jersey? A, misrepresenting policy benefits to potential clients. B, promptly paying valid claims. C, charging higher premiums than disclosed. D, denying claims without investigation. Question 48. Which of the following coverages under homeowners insurance policy HA3 in New Jersey would protect the insured from liability claims resulting from accidental bodily injury or property damage to others? A, coverage B, coverage C. C, coverage E. D, coverage F. Question 49. Which of the following is a primary purpose of the New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance, though by A, to sell insurance policies, B, to regulate and oversee the insurance industry, C, to provide legal representation to policyholders, D, to underwrite insurance policies? Question 50. Which of the following is a common exclusion in a standard personal umbrella policy? A, excess liability coverage. B, personal injury liability. C, business activities. D, property damage liability. Question 51. Under New Jersey law, which of the following would be considered an unfair trade practice in the insurance industry? A, accurately describing policy terms to consumers. B, charging different premiums for the same coverage without justification. C, denying a claim based on policy exclusions. D, investigating a claim thoroughly before making a decision. Question 52. Which of the following best describes the concept of risk management in the context of personal lines insurance? A, identifying and eliminating all risks. B, transferring the risk to another party through insurance. C, ignoring potential risks. D, increasing exposure to risks for potential gain. Question 53. Which of the following types of coverage would protect a New Jersey homeowner from a lawsuit if a guest is injured on their property? A, dwelling coverage, coverage B, personal property coverage, coverage C. C, personal liability coverage, coverage E. D, medical payments to others, coverage F. Question 54. In New Jersey, what is the purpose of the assigned risk plan in auto insurance? A, to provide comprehensive coverage for high-value vehicles. B, to offer insurance to drivers who cannot obtain coverage in the voluntary market. C, to standardize auto insurance premiums across the state. D, to provide insurance for antique and classic cars. Question 55. Which type of watercraft insurance coverage would protect a New Jersey boat owner from liability if they accidentally injure someone while operating their boat? A, physical damage coverage. B, medical payments coverage. C, liability coverage. D, uninsured boaters coverage. Question 56. Which of the following would be covered under personal property coverage? Coverage C in a homeowner's insurance policy HA3 in New Jersey. A, damage to the home's foundation. B, loss of a valuable painting due to theft. C, liability claims from a neighbor's injury. D, additional living expenses due to home repairs. Question 57. Which principle of insurance requires that both parties to an insurance contract act honestly and disclose all relevant information? A, indemnity. B, insurable interest. C, utmost good faith. D, subrogation. Question 58. Which of the following is a key benefit of purchasing flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, in New Jersey? A, coverage for all types of water damage. B, guaranteed coverage limits. C, availability regardless of flood risk. D, standardized premium rate is. Question 59. In New Jersey, which of the following scenarios would likely be covered under a personal umbrella policy? A. Damage to the insured's own vehicle from a collision. B. Legal liability for a severe injury caused by the insured's dog. C. Flood damage to the insured's basement. D. Theft of personal property from the insured's home. Question 60. Which of the following is an example of insurable interest in the context of life insurance in New Jersey? A. A person insuring the life of their neighbor. B. A business insuring the life of a key employee. C. A person insuring the life of a stranger. D. A person insuring the life of a celebrity they admire. Correct answer. B. Damage resulting from a collision with another vehicle. Explanation. Collision coverage, Part D, in a personal auto policy, PAP, covers damage to the insured's vehicle resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object. This coverage specifically addresses incidents where the vehicle is damaged due to an impact, adhering to New Jersey's auto insurance guidelines. Correct answer. C. Expenses for temporary housing while the home is being repaired. Explanation. Additional living expense coverage under a homeowner's insurance policy, HA3, covers the cost of temporary housing and other increased living expenses if the insured's home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered peril. This ensures that homeowners in New Jersey can maintain their standard of living while repairs are made. Correct answer. B. To offer homeowners insurance to individuals who cannot obtain it through the standard market. Explanation. The FAIR plan, Fair Access to Insurance Requirements, in New Jersey provides homeowners insurance to individuals who cannot obtain coverage through the standard market due to high risk factors. This plan ensures that all homeowners have access to essential insurance protection, regardless of their property's risk level. Correct answer. C. Flood. Explanation. A standard homeowner's insurance policy, HA3, typically excludes coverage for flood damage. Homeowners in New Jersey must purchase separate flood insurance, usually through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, to be protected against flood-related losses. Correct answer. B. Personal articles floater. Explanation. A personal articles floater is an inland marine insurance policy designed to cover valuable items such as jewelry, fine art, and collectibles. It provides broad protection for high-value items, regardless of where they are located, making it ideal for covering a valuable painting. Correct answer. B. To increase the coverage limits of underlying liability policies. Explanation. An umbrella insurance policy provides additional liability coverage above the limits of the insured's underlying policies, such as homeowners or auto insurance. It offers broader protection against large claims or lawsuits, ensuring that New Jersey residents have sufficient coverage for significant liability exposures. Correct answer. B. The insured is restored to their financial position before the loss. Explanation. The principle of indemnity ensures that the insured is restored to their financial position before the loss occurred, without profiting from the insurance claim. This principle prevents moral hazard and ensures fair compensation in line with New Jersey's insurance regulations. Correct answer. C. The insured must have an insurable interest in the subject of the insurance. Explanation. For an insurance contract to be valid, the insured must have an insurable interest in the subject of the insurance. This means they must stand to suffer a financial loss if the insured event occurs. This requirement ensures that insurance is used for legitimate risk protection, adhering to New Jersey's insurance standards. Correct answer. C. Legal fees for defending against a lawsuit from a third party. Explanation. Liability coverage, Part A, in a personal auto policy, PAP, covers legal fees for defending against lawsuits from third parties for bodily injury or property damage caused by the insured. This coverage is crucial for protecting the insured from financial loss due to legal claims in accordance with New Jersey's auto insurance requirements. Correct answer. C. Damage caused by an earthquake. Explanation. Standard homeowners insurance policies, HA3, typically exclude coverage for damage caused by earthquakes. Homeowners in New Jersey need to purchase separate earthquake insurance or an endorsement to be protected against earthquake-related losses. Correct answer. C. Failing to acknowledge a claim within a reasonable time frame. Explanation. Failing to acknowledge a claim within a reasonable time frame is considered an unfair claims practice. New Jersey insurance regulations require insurers to handle claims promptly and fairly to protect consumers and ensure efficient claims processing. Correct answer. C. Fire. Explanation. A standard homeowner's insurance policy, HO3, typically covers fire as a named peril. This ensures that homeowners in New Jersey are protected against fire-related damages, which are one of the most common and severe types of property losses. Correct answer. B. The transfer of rights from the insured to the insurer to recover damages from a third party. Explanation. Subrogation is the process by which an insurer, after paying a claim, acquires the insured's right to recover damages from a third party responsible for the loss. This helps insurers recoup their costs and prevents the insured from collecting twice for the same loss, aligning with New Jersey's insurance practices. Correct answer. C. Lightning. Explanation. A standard dwelling policy, DPIT 3, typically covers damage caused by lightning. This type of policy provides broad coverage for named perils, ensuring that property owners in New Jersey are protected against common and potentially destructive events like lightning strikes. Correct answer. C. Lower out-of-pocket costs compared to other plans. Explanation. Health Maintenance Organization HMO plans typically have lower out-of-pocket costs compared to other types of health insurance plans. HMOs require members to use a network of designated healthcare providers and usually need referrals to see specialists, which helps manage costs effectively for New Jersey residents. Correct answer. B. Medical Payments Coverage, Part B. Explanation. Medical Payments Coverage, Part B, under Personal Auto Policy, PAP, provides coverage for medical expenses incurred by passengers in the insured's vehicle, regardless of who is at fault. This coverage ensures that medical costs are addressed promptly following New Jersey's auto insurance guidelines. Correct answer. B. Promptly paying valid claims. Explanation. Promptly paying valid claims is an ethical practice in the insurance industry. It reflects honesty, transparency, and adherence to regulatory standards, ensuring that policyholders in New Jersey receive fair and timely compensation for covered losses. Correct answer. C. Coverage E. Explanation. Coverage E, in a homeowner's insurance policy, HO3, provides personal liability coverage. It protects the insured from liability claims resulting from accidental bodily injury or property damage to others, ensuring that New Jersey homeowners are safeguarded against financial loss from such claims. Correct answer. B. To regulate and oversee the insurance industry. Explanation. The New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance, DOBI, is responsible for regulating and overseeing the insurance industry within the state. Its primary purpose is to ensure that insurance companies operate fairly and comply with state laws, protecting consumers and maintaining market stability. Correct answer. C. Business activities. Explanation. Personal umbrella policies provide excess liability coverage over underlying policies, covering personal injury and property damage liability. However, they typically exclude business activities, which require separate commercial liability coverage, ensuring appropriate use of personal insurance policies in New Jersey. Correct answer. B. Charging different premiums for the same coverage without justification. Explanation. Charging different premiums for the same coverage without justification is considered an unfair trade practice. New Jersey law requires that insurance premiums be based on fair and non-discriminatory factors to protect consumers and ensure fairness in the insurance market. Correct answer. B. Transferring the risk to another party through insurance. Explanation. Risk management in personal lines insurance involves identifying, assessing, and transferring the risk to another party through insurance. This approach helps individuals and families mitigate potential financial losses, aligning with New Jersey's insurance principles and practices. Correct answer. C. Personal liability coverage, Coverage E. Explanation. Personal liability coverage, Coverage E, protects a homeowner from lawsuits if a guest is injured on their property. This coverage addresses legal defense costs and any settlement or judgment amounts, ensuring New Jersey homeowners are protected from significant financial losses due to liability claims. Correct answer. C. Personal liability coverage, Coverage E. Explanation. Personal liability coverage, Coverage E, protects a homeowner from lawsuits if a guest is injured on their property. This coverage addresses legal defense costs and any settlement or judgment amounts, ensuring New Jersey homeowners are protected from significant financial losses due to liability claims. Correct answer. C. Liability coverage. Explanation. Liability coverage in a watercraft insurance policy protects a boat owner from liability if they accidentally injure someone while operating their boat. This coverage ensures that New Jersey boat owners are financially protected from claims and lawsuits related to boating accidents. Correct answer. B. Loss of a valuable painting due to theft. Explanation. Personal property coverage. Coverage C. In a homeowner's insurance policy, HO3 covers the loss or damage of personal belongings, such as a valuable painting, due to theft. This coverage protects the insured's personal property both inside and outside the home, adhering to New Jersey's insurance standards. Correct answer. C. Utmost good faith. Explanation. The principle of utmost good faith requires both the insurer and the insured to act honestly and disclose all relevant information when entering into an insurance contract. This principle is fundamental to the trust and transparency required in insurance transactions, aligning with New Jersey's regulatory expectations. Correct answer. C. Availability regardless of flood risk. Explanation. Flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, is available to homeowners, renters, and business owners regardless of their property's flood risk. This ensures that all New Jersey residents can obtain essential flood coverage, providing financial protection against flood-related losses. Correct answer. B. Legal liability for a severe injury caused by the insured's dog. Explanation. A personal umbrella policy provides additional liability coverage beyond the limits of the insured's underlying policies, such as homeowners or auto insurance. It would cover legal liability for a severe injury caused by the insured's dog, offering broader protection against significant liability exposures in New Jersey. Correct answer. B. A business insuring the life of a key employee. Explanation. Insurable interest in the context of life insurance means that the policyholder must have a legitimate financial interest in the life of the insured. A business insuring the life of a key employee is a clear example, as the business stands to suffer a financial loss if the employee dies, in accordance with New Jersey's insurance regulations. Question 61. In New Jersey, which type of homeowner's insurance policy provides the broadest coverage for both the dwelling and personal property? A. HO1, B. HO2, C. HO3, D. HO5. Question 62. Which of the following is an example of an exclusion commonly found in a standard homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey? A. Fire damage, B. Theft, C. Flooding, D. Windstorm damage. Question 63. What is the primary purpose of the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, in New Jersey? A. To provide free flood insurance to all residents. B. To reduce the financial impact of flooding on property owners. C. To replace homeowners' insurance policies. D. To insure against all natural disasters. Question 64. Which of the following describes the concept of insurable interest unique in New Jersey insurance policy? A. The ability to profit from an insurance claim. B. The financial stake an insured has in the insured property or person. C. The requirement to disclose all personal information to the insurer. D. The policyholder's right to cancel the policy at any time. Question 65. In New Jersey, which part of a homeowner's insurance policy provides coverage for additional living expenses if the insured's home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss? A. Coverage A, B. Coverage C, C. Coverage D, D. Coverage F. Question 66. Which of the following best describes subrogation in the context of New Jersey insurance? A. The insurer's right to deny a claim. B. The policyholder's right to sue the insurer. C. The insurer's right to pursue a third party responsible for a loss. D. The policyholder's right to cancel the policy. Question 67. Which coverage under a personal auto policy, PAP, in New Jersey would pay for repairs to the insured's car if it is damaged by a natural disaster such as a hurricane? A. Liability coverage, Part B. Medical payments coverage, Part B. C. Comprehensive coverage, Part D. D. Collision coverage, Part D. Question 68. Which type of coverage under a homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey would protect the insured against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage caused to others? They coverage B, coverage B. C, coverage E. D, coverage F. Question 69. In New Jersey, which of the following is a primary function of the New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance, though by A. Selling insurance policies to consumers, B. Regulating and overseeing insurance companies, C. Underwriting insurance policies, D. Providing legal advice to policyholders. Question 70. Which of the following best describes the principle of utmost good faith in insurance contracts in New Jersey? A. Both parties must act honestly and disclose all relevant information. B. The insurer must provide coverage for all types of losses. C. The policyholder can cancel the policy at any time. D. The insurer can deny claims without reason. Question 71. Which of the following would be covered under the personal property, floater, in an inland marine insurance policy in New Jersey? A. The insured's car. B. Jewelry lost during travel. C. The insured's home. D. Liability claims. Question 72. Under a standard personal umbrella policy in New Jersey, which of the following scenarios would likely be excluded? A. Legal liability for a guest's injury at the insured's home. B. Liability from operating a personal vehicle. C. Business activities conducted at the insured's home. D. Personal injury liability. Question 73. Which type of insurance policy in New Jersey is specifically designed to cover additional expenses incurred to comply with building codes when repairing a damaged home? A. Personal auto policy. B. Dwelling policy. C. Ordinance or law coverage. D. Flood insurance. Question 74. Which of the following is an example of a peril covered under the standard DPIT 2 dwelling policy in New Jersey? A. Earthquake. B. War. C. Vandalism. D. Nuclear hazard. Question 75. Which of the following best describes the role of an insurance adjuster in New Jersey? A. Selling insurance policies to consumers. B. Underwriting new insurance applications. C. Investigating and settling claims. D. Providing legal representation to policyholders. Question 76. Which type of coverage under a homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey provides protection against claims for injuries sustained by visitors on the insured's property? A. Coverage B. Coverage C. C. Coverage E. D. Coverage F. Question 77. In New Jersey, which type of auto insurance coverage is mandatory for all drivers? A. Collision coverage. B. Liability coverage. C. Comprehensive coverage. D. Personal injury protection, PIP. Question 78. Which of the following is a key feature of the dwelling policy DP3 in New Jersey? A. Named peril coverage for the dwelling. B. Open peril coverage for the dwelling. C. Exclusion of personal property. D. Exclusion of liability coverage. Question 79. Which coverage in a standard homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey would typically cover the theft of personal property? A. Coverage B. Coverage C. C. Coverage D. D. Coverage F. Question 80. Which of the following best describes the concept of coinsurance in New Jersey property insurance policies? A. The requirement to insure a property for at least 80% of its value. B. A policy that covers multiple properties. C. Insurance for coins and collectibles. D. A clause that excludes coverage for certain perils. Question 81. Under New Jersey law, which of the following best describes the purpose of unfair trade practices regulations in insurance? A. To promote competition among insurers. B. To prevent fraud and abuse by insurance companies. C. To allow insurers to deny claims freely. D. To increase insurance premiums. Question 82. Which of the following types of insurance is specifically designed to cover the liability of New Jersey boat owners? A. Personal auto policy. B. Homeowners insurance. C. Watercraft insurance. D. Umbrella policy. Question 83. Which part of a standard personal auto policy (PAP) in New Jersey covers medical expenses for the insured and passengers, regardless of fault? A. Liability coverage. Part B. Medical payments coverage. Part B. C. Uninsured underinsured motorist coverage. Part C. D. Collision coverage. Part D. Question 84. Which type of endorsement can be added to a homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey to cover valuable items such as jewelry and fine art? A. Flood insurance. B. Personal property floater. C. Liability coverage. D. Medical payments coverage. Question 85. In New Jersey, which of the following describes the primary function of the NAIC, National Association of Insurance Commissioners? A. To sell insurance policies. B. To regulate insurance companies nationwide. C. To provide legal advice to policyholders. D. To assist state insurance regulators in developing model laws and regulations. Question 86. Which of the following is an example of a peril typically covered by a standard D/1 dwelling policy in New Jersey? A. Earthquake. B. Flood. C. Fire. D. War. Question 87. Which of the following best describes the replacement cost coverage in a homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey? A. The cost to replace damaged property minus depreciation. B. The market value of the damaged property. C. The cost to replace damaged property with new property of similar kind and quality. D. The original purchase price of the damaged property. Question 88. Which of the following best describes the adverse selection in the context of New Jersey insurance markets? A. Insuring only low-risk individuals. B. A situation where high-risk individuals are more likely to purchase insurance. C. The process of selecting the best insurance policy. D. The insurer's right to deny high-risk applicants. Question 89. Which part of a homeowner's insurance policy in New Jersey provides coverage for the dwelling itself? A. Coverage B. Coverage B. C. Coverage C. D. Coverage D. Question 90. Which of the following describes the primary purpose of an insurance deductible in a policy in New Jersey? A. To increase the policy premium. B. To eliminate small claims and reduce administrative costs. C. To provide unlimited coverage for all losses. D. To allow policyholders to profit from a claim. Correct answer. D. HA5. Explanation. A HA5 policy offers the broadest coverage for both the dwelling and personal property, providing open perils coverage, which insures against all risks except those specifically excluded. This comprehensive protection is ideal for homeowners in New Jersey who want extensive coverage for their assets. Correct answer. C. Flooding. Explanation. Flooding is typically excluded from standard homeowners insurance policies and requires separate flood insurance. In New Jersey, homeowners must purchase a separate policy through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, to be covered for flood-related losses. Correct answer. B. To reduce the financial impact of flooding on property owners. Explanation. The NFIP aims to reduce the financial impact of flooding on property owners by providing affordable flood insurance and encouraging communities to adopt floodplain management regulations. This helps mitigate flood damage and supports recovery efforts in New Jersey. Correct answer. B. The financial stake an insured has in the insured property or person. Explanation. Insurable interest refers to the financial stake an insured has in the property or person being insured. It ensures that the policyholder suffers a financial loss if a covered event occurs, preventing insurance fraud and upholding the principle of indemnity in New Jersey. Correct answer. C. Coverage D. Explanation. Coverage D in a homeowner's insurance policy provides for additional living expenses if the insured's home becomes uninhabitable due to covered loss. This ensures that policyholders in New Jersey can maintain their standard of living while their home is being repaired or rebuilt. Correct answer. C. The insurer's right to pursue a third party responsible for a loss. Explanation. Subrogation is the insurer's right to pursue a third party responsible for a loss after the insurer has paid the policyholder's claim. This allows insurers in New Jersey to recover the costs associated with the claim from the liable party, helping to control premiums. Correct answer. C. Comprehensive coverage, Part D. Explanation. Comprehensive coverage, Part D, under a personal auto policy, PAP, covers damage to the insured's car caused by natural disasters such as hurricanes. This coverage ensures that New Jersey drivers can repair or replace their vehicles after non-collision events like weather-related damage. Correct answer. C. Coverage E. Explanation. Coverage E provides personal liability coverage, protecting the insured against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage caused to others. This coverage helps New Jersey homeowners manage potential legal costs and liability risks associated with accidents on their property. Correct answer. B. Regulating and overseeing insurance companies. Explanation. The New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance, DOBI, is responsible for regulating and overseeing insurance companies within the state. Its primary function is to ensure that insurers operate fairly, comply with state laws, and protect consumers' interests. Correct answer. A. Both parties must act honestly and disclose all relevant information. Explanation. The principle of utmost good faith requires both the insurer and the insured to act honestly and disclose all relevant information when entering into an insurance contract. This principle ensures transparency and trust in the insurance process, which is fundamental to the regulatory environment in New Jersey. Correct answer. B. Jewelry lost during travel. Explanation. A personal property floater in an inland marine insurance policy covers valuable items like jewelry, especially when these items are lost or damaged during travel. This specialized coverage is essential for protecting personal property that may not be fully covered under standard homeowners policies in New Jersey. Correct answer. C. Business activities conducted at the insured's home. Explanation. Personal umbrella policies typically exclude coverage for business activities. To cover such activities, policyholders in New Jersey need a separate commercial liability policy. The exclusion ensures that personal liability coverage does not extend to business-related risks. Correct answer. C. Ordinance or law coverage. Explanation. Ordinance or law coverage is designed to cover additional expenses incurred to comply with current building codes when repairing a damaged home. This coverage ensures that New Jersey homeowners can meet local building regulations without bearing the full cost of upgrades. Correct answer. C. Vandalism. Explanation. The deep hit to dwelling policy covers perils such as vandalism, ensuring that property owners in New Jersey are protected against damage caused by malicious acts. This coverage is part of a broader set of named perils that offer substantial protection for dwellings. Correct answer. C. Investigating and settling claims. Explanation. An insurance adjuster investigates and settles claims on behalf of the insurance company. Their role is to assess the extent of the insurer's liability and ensure that claims are handled fairly and promptly, which is crucial for maintaining trust in the insurance process in New Jersey. Correct answer. D. Coverage F. Explanation. Coverage F in a homeowner's insurance policy provides medical payments to others, covering medical expenses for visitors injured on the insured's property, regardless of fault. This coverage helps New Jersey homeowners manage the financial implications of guest injuries. Correct answer. B. Liability coverage. Explanation. Liability coverage is mandatory for all drivers in New Jersey. This coverage ensures that drivers can pay for damages or injuries they cause to others in an accident, meeting the state's financial responsibility requirements and protecting other road users. Correct answer. B. Open peril coverage for the dwelling. Explanation. The Deep Hit 3 dwelling policy provides open peril coverage for the dwelling, covering all risks except those specifically excluded. This comprehensive protection is advantageous for New Jersey property owners seeking extensive coverage for their homes. Correct answer. B. Coverage C. Explanation. Coverage C in a homeowner's insurance policy covers personal property, including theft. This ensures that New Jersey homeowners can replace stolen items, providing financial protection against one of the most common risks to personal belongings. Correct answer. A. The requirement to insure a property for at least 80% of its value. Explanation. Coinsurance requires policyholders to insure their property for at least a specified percentage, typically 80% of its value. This ensures that the property is adequately covered and that the insured shares in the risk, preventing underinsurance in New Jersey. Correct answer. B. To prevent fraud and abuse by insurance companies. Explanation. Unfair trade practices regulations aim to prevent fraud and abuse by insurance companies, ensuring fair treatment of consumers. These regulations protect New Jersey policyholders from deceptive and unethical practices by insurers. Correct answer. C. Watercraft insurance. Explanation. Watercraft insurance is designed to cover the liability of boat owners, including bodily injury and property damage they may cause while operating their boats. This specialized coverage is essential for New Jersey residents who own and operate watercraft. Correct answer. B. Medical payments coverage, Part B. Explanation. Medical payments coverage, Part B, under a personal auto policy, PAP covers medical expenses for the insured and passengers, regardless of fault. This coverage ensures that New Jersey drivers can receive necessary medical treatment following an accident. Correct answer. B. Personal property floater. Explanation. A personal property floater can be added to a homeowner's insurance policy to cover valuable items such as jewelry and fine art. This endorsement provides additional coverage for high-value items that may exceed standard policy limits, protecting New Jersey homeowners' valuable possessions. Correct answer. D. To assist state insurance regulators in developing model laws and regulations. Explanation. The NAIC assists state insurance regulators in developing model laws and regulations, promoting uniformity and best practices across the states. This helps New Jersey regulators align with national standards and improve the regulatory framework. Correct answer. C. Fire. Explanation. A EON-dwelling policy covers named perils such as fire, providing essential protection for property owners. This basic level of coverage is fundamental for safeguarding homes in New Jersey against one of the most common and destructive risks. Correct answer. C. The cost to replace damaged property with new property of similar kind and quality. Explanation. Replacement cost coverage provides for the cost to replace damaged property with new property of similar kind and quality without deducting for depreciation. This ensures that New Jersey homeowners can fully restore their property after a loss. Correct answer. B. A situation where high-risk individuals are more likely to purchase insurance. Explanation. Adverse selection occurs when high-risk individuals are more likely to purchase insurance, potentially leading to higher claims and premiums. Insurers in New Jersey use underwriting practices to mitigate adverse selection and ensure a balanced risk pool. Correct answer. A. Coverage A. Explanation. Coverage provides coverage for the dwelling itself, including the structure of the home and attached structures. This fundamental coverage ensures that New Jersey homeowners can repair or rebuild their homes after a covered loss. Correct answer. B. To eliminate small claims and reduce administrative costs. Explanation. An insurance deductible is the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer pays a claim. It helps eliminate small claims and reduce administrative costs, ensuring that New Jersey insurance policies remain affordable and efficient.